All right, we are on our final of simplifying radicals, and I'm going to show you how to simplify and rationalize your denominator. So the denominator is obviously the number down in the bottom of the fraction. Now we can't leave square roots in that area. So when I'm trying to rationalize a denominator, I want to take whatever is in that denominator and I'm going to multiply it by itself. And just like a regular fraction, if you do it on the bottom here, you're going to do it on the top. So we're going to multiply both numerator and denominator, both by 5, square root. And what's going to happen here is 5 times 5 is 25. So the square root of 25 is just simply 5. So what happens with the denominator when you do this, if it's just a root and you're multiplying it by itself, it's just going to eliminate the root symbol. So the number that you see, the radicand, which is underneath the radical symbol, is going to stay just there, just without the radical symbol. Now I look at the top of this in the numerator, and I have a number and a square root that I cannot combine with one another. So I'm going to have 5 times the square root of 5. It's a lot of 5's going on there. And I do see something else that can be simplified. 5 divided by 5, that can completely cancel each other, right? The 5's can cancel each other because it's 5 divided by 5. So these are going to wipe each other out, leaving me with 1, or what's left, just the square root of 5. So my finalized answer for this is the square root of 5. And that's all you have to do for this one. Now when I look at the second one over here, same thing. I'm going to multiply by the denominator, which is the square root of 6. And you do that on both the top and the bottom. And what's going to happen at the bottom is the 6's are going to stay 6's, just the 6. The root symbol is going to go away. So you're going to be left with 6 in the denominator. Again, 6 times 6 is 36. So the square root of 36 is just 6. And then on the top, you can't do any combinations there because you have a number and a root. So you're just going to do 4 times the square root of 6, just like that. Then you take one little once over and you look at the numbers. We've got two numbers that are both even, which means you can divide both of them by 2. And so 4 is going to cancel down to 2. 6 is going to cancel down to 3. And what I have left is 2 times the root of 6 on the top over 3 on the bottom. And that is as far as I'm going to be able to go for this problem. If you want more questions like these, you can find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at U1 Algebra. All these are located in the Roots and Exponents playlist. And don't forget to like, share, follow me for more, save it for later, and I will see you soon.